Hello everyone, today I would like to show you beads what I purchased from Beading Diva shop. I will leave the shop link in the description box, and let's see what we have here. Most of them size 8 Toho seed beads, absolutely stunning colors. You can find them on the site or in the brick and mortar shop. They're absolutely lovely. I think I will make nice projects using them. So let's begin with pink. No, let's begin with blue one. Always difficult to make a decision, they're so beautiful. So this stunning color, absolutely lovely dark aqua, silver lined dark aqua. And next will be, this is Ceylon Impatience Pink, it calls. Very elegant, nice rose lustrous, pearlescent like. Next, this interesting green, it calls Opaque Lustre Green Mint. Rose gold, of course. Galvanized rose gold. And galvanized pink. I hope you can see the difference on camera. Rose gold more peachy, and pink a bit more bright. Nice, lovely colors. Definitely will be in use. Opaque turquoise green. This is matte turquoise green. This is new for me color. It goes galvanized southwest green. Nice metallic green. Silver lined honey amber. And of course, I think this one I like most. Opaque matte mauve. And it's a bit iridescent. It's AB coating. Unfortunately not so visible on camera, but believe me, it's really beautiful color. And next, just a couple strands. This one, 6mm rondelles, nice and sparkly. Yeah. And essential blue bicons, 4mm. That's how they look like. Next will be pearls. One blue, one aqua blue, like blue greenish tone. Very interesting color. I like it. Yep. And this blue, I think it is actually matching my flower today. Yeah, definitely. And of course, most tastiest. These are little charms what I have for my granddaughter. I plan to make little earrings for her. Oh, look at this, so cute. They're adorable. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Take care.